measured mine at 2 meters. First, we're gonna take our mounting brackets and mount them at 2 meters. When we mount the brackets, we're gonna take our measuring tapes and measure the holes across the cisterns, the mounting holes on the cisterns. In this case, I'm measuring 320 millimeters. So my mounting brackets, they're going to be 2 meters high from the top of the brackets, and they're going to be 320 apart. The mounting screws are going to be 320 millimeters apart. As you see here, I've already mounted my mounting brackets. Now, with the mounting brackets already on the wall, I'm going to hang my cisterns, and my cistern, I'm going to hang my assembled cistern on the wall through those mounting brackets, like so. And I'm going to secure them with the 13 millimeter nuts. Take a spanner, a shifting spanner, and give a good tightening there. I've used the color so that you can see the activation as I move the lever up. So I'm going to connect my chain, which is connected to the remote on the front of the wall. The chain is on the back of the wall. That's going to be connected to the lever arm there. With that connected, you can see I have my chain loose. I've got this tension adjuster, which is adjustable by the two 10 millimeters nuts. I'm going to turn them until it is fairly tight. Like that, fairly tight. And then lock it with the bottom nut like that. So when I push on the other side, when I push the button, you can see it's able to activate the flash on the flashing mechanism. It's activating the flash. That's how you connect the remote and the system together. You must be able to move like that. And now, what we're going to do, we're going to connect our flash pipe. When we connect our flash pipe, we're going to take our pen, the pen that we're going to be using, and we're going to measure a hole from the bottom of the floor to the flashing pen hole. In this case, I'm measuring 350. Okay, when I'm measure 350. That's where my hole for the flash pipe is gonna be. I'm gonna take my flash pipe and insert it on a flashing mechanism like that. Like that. And I'm gonna take my 90-degree flash pipe. I'm gonna take my flash pipe, my high level flash pipe, and insert it into my valve for measurement. Then I'm gonna take my 90-degree flash pipe and put it over there. Now these, they need to connect together. Because my 90-degree flash pipe and my low level flash pipe, they are too long, I'm gonna have to cut my pipe right over there to give it about 20 to 25 millimeter to insert inside the 90-degree flash pipe. So 90-degree flash pipe, I'm gonna secure it with the PVC weld. The PVC weld is a glue that is meant for gluing these pipes. I'm gonna use it. It's a PVC weld, PVC cement. So I'm gonna cut it now. Okay. Continue. Okay. Okay, with that cut, I'm gonna end up with this piece, and this piece is secured inside this piece using the PVC weld. And I'm gonna put my cap nut on, the cap nut that I took out from the flashing valve. I'm gonna put it through here first, and I'm gonna put the flash pipe O-ring, the 8 millimeter flash pipe O-ring in there to secure it and push it through the flashing mechanism. So, and that's the height of that hole. And then I'm going to secure it with that head nut. I'm going to hand tighten it. And then use the water pump plier to give it an extra turn to tighten it. And then that is how we put our flash pipe in, like that. It's going to be in that configuration. And then on the other side, we're going to use the bung rubber. This goes through the pen, and the flash pipe goes in there to give it a tight fit, a tight securing fit. Okay. Okay, this is how the bung rubber goes in there. And the pen and this is it. It's supposed to go through like that. And now that's how we connect our flash pipe to the pen. That concludes our connection of a high level system with the remote on. What's gonna be left is gonna be that lead that I did show you earlier on, how to secure it with those 2 screws on top. That goes on top of the system, like so. and then we put those two vandal-proof screws in, so that no one can gain access into the system. Okay, sure. Okay, from the front, I've used a spacer here because I don't have a 130 millimeter thick wall to fit this. I've just used my 16 millimeter board as a reference wall. So this is just a spacer to cater for that. So this is how your system is gonna look like. This is what you're gonna see from the front of the wall. The system is gonna be behind the wall. The only thing that you're gonna see is the button and the pen, and the whole mechanism is at the back of the wall. As you flash, you can see as I flash that the movement activates the flash from the back of the system.